Thank you.
Viewers all over the world, from the throne of Igbo in Ghana, the elders of the palace of Igbo in Ghana, all the elders, myself being the servant of my people, being the Ezeigbo in Ghana, we are coming up again to celebrate Igbo New Year Festival, Igbo Day in Ghana, yes, of which we do that every year. This year gonna be the 9th edition. We've been in this throne now for the past 9 years. Believing God that next year we'll celebrate 10 years anniversary of this throne. Yes. So we will do this September this year, 19th September this year. And it's a time that the Igbos all over the world come together to celebrate. But because of the COVID-19, we will not have a large congregation or a large house the way we normally do it. Yes. So this year gonna take place here in the palace. Initially, we always do that at a field where we host over 10,000 people. But yes, this year we'll do it without too many people. So anywhere you are, remember that day, 19th September, is Igbo Day in Ghana. Whether you come, you don't come, anywhere you are, celebrate with us. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Amen. Okay, viewers, you have heard it from His Majesty that COVID protocol, COVID-19 protocol must be observed.